Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make chili garlic shrimp or prawns. This is perfect served over white rice for a quick dinner in under 30 minutes. We'll need half a medium red onion chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger chopped, about 1 tablespoon, 8 cloves of garlic chopped, about 1.5 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons sliced scallions, and 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. Here is the shrimp. This is 1 pound or a half a kilo. These have the shells and heads on. The heads might freak out some of you, and if it does, you can definitely use shrimp without the heads or the shells. The black line you see down the shrimp is its digestive tract. If you want to remove it, take a small knife and make a slit all the way down. Do it on this side and on the other side. The vein can be pulled out. This is thin, but on the other side it's going to be thicker. In a lot of areas, people eat shrimp boiled whole in their shells. No one deveins them, they're just peeled and eaten. The vein is safe to eat, it's more about how it looks. Sometimes it can be a little gritty and affect the clean taste of the shrimp. I've washed the shrimp, set them aside. For the sauce, I'm using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, about 1 tablespoon of hot chili sauce. This is Sriracha brand. Use any chili sauce you'd like. The 1 tablespoon will make this dish medium spicy. Add more chili sauce if you like it very spicy. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix this up and set aside. Heat up a pan. I'm using my favorite cast iron wok. You can use any pan that you would like. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped onion and cook for 1 minute. Add the ginger. Cook for 30 seconds. And then add the garlic. Cook for a minute or two until soft and just golden. Don't let it brown. Add the sauce and cook for 30 seconds. Put the shrimp in and cook, stirring often until they turn pink. The shrimp cooks very quickly, in just a few minutes. When the shrimp are almost done, add the scallions. Now the shrimp are cooked, sprinkle the cilantro and mix. I hope you try this, as it is very tasty and easy. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.